Okay, so your fence is damaged. It's a total headache, right? Let's talk insurance claims.
1 minute, everything's fine. The next, no security, no privacy. It's a really tough spot to be in.
You know you gotta act fast, but man, that insurance paperwork can feel like a mountain.
Okay, you've got two basic choices here. You can try to tackle that whole complex process yourself, or you can get a specialist service to handle everything for you, from the quote to the final repair. So what are these services? Well, they're experts who get it done right, in a way insurers approve. And they really cover all the bases, from quick patches to dealing with all that annoying paperwork.
So, how does this all actually work? Let's walk through the process step by step.
First up, it all starts with a free chat to go over the damage and what you need.
Then, an expert comes out, checks out the damage, and gives you a clear, detailed quote.
And here's the best part. They talk directly to your insurance company. That saves you so much time.
Once you get the green light, their pro team gets to work and gets your fence fixed. And they're not done until you're happy. A good service always follows up to make sure. The whole point is to turn something super stressful into a smooth, hassle-free process for you.
So with a specialist, you're getting speed, experience, and help right where you need it most.
Seriously, them talking to the insurer for you, that removes the biggest headache right there.
And in the end, it's not just about a new fence. It's about getting your peace of mind back.
So, when the unexpected happens, will you be ready? Knowing your options is absolutely key.